Hopefully these are secure too, because they be acting like they don't want to be secure sometimes.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look at my.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a faux lock ponytail. I got a long week ahead of me, so I got to get my hair done because I'm not going to be waking up an extra 30 minutes early to do my hair. So we're about to do this hair. We are going to be doing like a rubber band design throughout my whole head, and then we're going to attach the faux lock ponytail, and that's going to be our hairstyle for the whole week, okay? So let's get into the video. So you're going to get yourself some rubber bands, of course, and they're falling out. And then you're gonna get, you know, I use my Neat Braid conditioning shining gel, and then a comb and an edge brush, and that's pretty much what we got. So let's get into it. so far we got one side down, right? We got one side complete. We got the middle complete. And yes, my scalp is dry as hell. I will be oiling that after, okay? And now we got 4 more boxes to complete on this side. Okay, one side done. Once again, do not mind my dry scalp because I will be oiling that after. Okay, so now the front is done. I promise you I would leave it like this, but no, we gotta make it look real cute. So the front is done, time to move to the back, right? So I'm gonna hang my little mirror right here. Ow. Boom. And I got my mirror right here in the front. So I'll be able to see what I am doing. Last part, which is 3 parts, and then time for the ponytail. Whew, okay y'all, I'm finally done. Back, that's the back. I don't know how good or bad the back looks. It looks pretty decent from here, and it looks decent from here. Child, that's all I need is decent right now. And the front, can y'all see the front?
No.
The front looks doable, right? Put this in a ponytail, right? And then you do it like that, right? So y'all see my hair? My whole head. This took about 45 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie here. All right. And then should I do my edges now or after? I'm gonna do my edges after. I'm gonna get the locks that I want. I don't know if I want, should I use the boho locks or just like regular plain locks? I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all the boho locks and then I'm gonna come back with the regular locks too, so hold on. Okay, so here are my boho locks, but I don't have any black. And I don't want it to be that off, like I don't want to look retarded. I don't want to look crazy. So I'm just going to use these locks. Okay, I've seen people tying each one around the ponytail holder, but I don't feel like doing all of that. So we're gonna take the ponytail holder. Hopefully this works. Push it through this. Hopefully these are secure too. Because they be acting like they don't want to be secure sometimes. I think for tonight we're just gonna keep it as a bun because I promise you I do not feel like getting real intricate right now with this. Come out how I planned it, because first of all, these damn locks keep coming out. Second, my edges look crazy. But guess we're not doing it over. I mean, guess who's keeping their hair like this all week? Me. Alright, so we're gonna get some edge control, and then we're gonna get some edge control, and then we're gonna wrap it up for the night. And this is the style for the week. And that's some big purple. Where did my camera go? See what we looking like. Let's see what it's giving. Okay. What y'all think? What y'all think? Give me it back. I think this cute, y'all. I think this cute. What y'all think? You think I could get away with this for a week? Bun at the top. I honestly think my next style is going to be, I might be using colored hair in my next style. I might be doing some knotless braids with some colored hair that I found because my beauty supply store just got some new colored hair, so I want to blend that up, see what I could get. So that's probably going to be my next hairstyle, but I'm not sure yet because I've been real lazy lately, and I don't like that. I don't know what's up with me. Like when it comes to doing my own hair, I've been real lazy. When it comes to my clients, I don't have no problem doing their hair. But my hair, child, so over it. So over it. But I think this came out pretty decent. I think it came out pretty decent. This is the back. Oh, this is the back. The front. Oh. Y'all. What y'all think? I think this is cute. I think it's definitely gonna last me a week. It's not super tight. Y'all know when them hairstyles be extra tight and you can't even go to sleep and you just want to rip it off your head. It's not extra tight, thank God, because First of all, my edges cannot handle another tight ponytail, okay? It cannot. Do y'all see my edges disappearing? I tried to lay them down real good so you guys can't notice, but they're disappearing, okay? And it's really more so on this side. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna calm down with the tight ponytails. Keep them loose, keep them cute. But anyway, this is the end of my video. Let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you share this video because I know you care. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.